In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this 13x4 synthetic body wave wig. And guess what? She was only $14.
Hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
What's up, you guys? Ouch. Oh, that hurt. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I have a new wig here for you guys today. I have not opened it. I have not looked at it. I just put it up. So right off the bat, she black. We ain't gonna do color. We ain't gonna do color today. With a simple black color. Let's take her out the notch. Okay. This is so pretty. And baby, I can tell off the back, she got layers. She got layers to this one long curl in the back. Okay. So let's get the details on this. Okay. So she is a middle part. The hair feels darn near human hair. That's so country. Damn near hillbilly. Feels like human hair. Like, this is the middle part. She has layers. Oh my gosh. I was gonna do a side part. I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna do a middle part. And she's beautiful. I love this. Like, look at her. She is cute. She has two combs and a comb in the back, adjustable straps. The lace is like in between. It's a little hard, it's a little soft. I do have to pluck. I like this. This is cute. Yeah, so voluptuous and flowy. That's what it's giving right now. Oh, I can't wait. All right, so let me go ahead and get this together. Yeah. And I'm not gonna do like a method like the cap. What am I trying to say right now? What am I trying to say? I'm not going to do the ball cap method. So I'm gonna just put some foundation, and this is a new stocking cap. I mean, like, they giving your girl stocking caps after stocking caps. Why not use them? So I'm gonna use my foundation. We're going to make sure that this is good along with the edges. Let's just go ahead and make sure the middle is good. It is not the best, but that's what I've gotten so far. Looks decent. And let's put it on. Oh wow. It would have been cute. It would have been cute for a side part. Okay. This is really, really, really cute.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch?
This is so cute. This is a cute unit. Okay. What? This is so cute. Very, very cute. Yeah. So I am going to go in with my melting spray. All the information, the stuff that I'm using in this video, it's in the description box. All you gotta do is just click on the link. It'll go straight to it. And I know this was sold out on Temu, but your girl found it on SHEIN. When I was looking at wigs, I came across this. I said, oh, let me place in an order. So I ordered me 5. Ain't nobody finna buy this up for me this time. I guarantee it. Nobody's gonna buy it up. I done wrecked up. So buy all y'all need. This stuff right here, this is magic. I don't know what this is. I don't know who created this, but baby. Thank you. Going to spray my lace down with this melting spray, and yeah. so I'm gonna go in with my scarf, which it's very, very dirty, but you know what, it's good, it works good for me. And I'm gonna put this on this lace. You can use the band or you can use a silk scarf. It's totally up to you, whatever works best for you, sis. And I am going to keep this scarf on for 10 minutes and I will be right back, okay? Alright, so it's been 10 minutes and let's see what we can do. Oh, I know I got like a line right here. I'm gonna get that out when I cut the lace, but for now, we're gonna go ahead and do the part that I hate the most, plucking. So let's go ahead and let's plug this. I believe, y'all, I don't even know what my rat tail, it's rat tail, not rat tooth. I don't know what my rat tail comb is at, so it's like, I really ain't got no comb, and I don't know how I feel about that. Found one. Pretty deep part. That's good. We want a unit with a deep part, okay? So I'm trying to make sure that that is my part, because I'm gonna pluck that too. I pluck it. I feel like plucking today. Even though I don't like plucking, I feel like plucking today. Ooh, this is gonna be a lot of plucking though. I think I want to pluck off camera. This is the before. I did that side just a little bit. This side I did not do. That took 30 minutes and I ain't even through. Okay, so literally like 45 to an hour later. Y'all, that took forever. That's why I don't like plucking. That's exactly why I don't like plucking. But I don't know if you guys can truly like see it. Like I'll put like a before and after. That way you guys can like truly know that I did pluck. I plucked, okay? But anyway, let's get this lace together because I feel like I did okay. But like if it ain't good enough, see the shoulders. I don't care. It's lace. Go in with my melting spray and I'm about to lay this lace down. I did not pluck my sides. I just didn't, because my thing is I'm going to be wearing this hair down, so the side really is going to be covered. So that's why I really didn't even pluck my sides. So but lay this down for the last time, hopefully. I ain't keep it on long, but I know for a fact this stuff is so good. I love this beret. Let me put my glasses on because I cannot see.
I'm not blind, you blind.
I'm gonna lay my edges down, so let's see what we can do, okay? I put this on one time, y'all. This will last me a week. I'm the type, I keep my wigs on. Some people wanna, I guess, take it off or whatever, but I keep mine on. I work morning shifts. I ain't got time to be putting on no wig and laying it down. Nope. On my off day, I set my hair together and I don't have to touch it until next week. And with my wax stick so I can see if I could get it a little flat. I don't even know if this unit can take heat. And I always say that because some synthetic units just do not take heat. Okay. Yeah. She take heat. Okay, so let me give you the details on this unit, okay?
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the walk, but I.
Girl. Baby, when I say this hair is really giving. Who? What? This is giving. I'm that girl, okay. Let me give you the details and everything about this unit. Automatically flips and flows the way it's supposed to. This by far is the best synthetic unit I got, okay. The lace was great. The lace was good. The only thing was I did have to pluck. And I'm not for sure if it's the best, but it'll do for me. The length is perfect. It's probably like a 20-inch, 22-inch. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Layers in it already, and like I said, it's a synthetic unit. Of course, she tangled. Me touching and rubbing my fingers through it, she doesn't feel synthetic. You know what I'm saying? There is a little shedding. You comb it out. You comb it, flip it, and there it goes. Like, baby, this is so pretty. I had to give this unit a rate from a scale 1 through 10. She up there. 9, 10. Yeah. Only reason why I gave it a 9 is because I had to pluck. I had to pluck. The hairline was so thick. It had a lot of hair, so I had to like literally, it probably took me like an hour to kind of like pluck it. And like I told you, it's not even the best. Like, you really can just see that it ain't the best. I did not pluck this. That should let you know a lot. I plucked only right here, and that's it. With the heat, she took heat very well. I was surprised. So she did get flat, and I did put a little of heat. I did put heat right here so I can bump it just a little bit, and it did pretty good. So yeah, okay. Oh, whoa. This is so classy to me. I don't know why. It's just giving class. Baby, she is cute. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? So yeah, y'all get this unit. Get this synthetic unit, okay? So the information on this unit is in the description box, so make sure you guys go look at that. Purchase this unit, cause baby, if you don't, I will again. Thank you guys so much. If you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Bye, you guys.
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block.
Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride